Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. I love rain. So I decided I am going to go back and revisit rain songs. So it's Rain Songs Part 2. I love walking in the rain. I love watching rain. Basically, everything rain. So for my first song today, I take you all the way back to 1943. Tansen. This was a K.L. Sehgal movie. K.L. Sehgal and Khurshid ji were in the lead. They're very accomplished musicians, so they sang all the songs themselves. The story, of course, is that of Tansen, who was one of the gems of Akbar's court. In this particular version, they have Tansen as an orphaned young man who is living with his uncle in a village somewhere near Gwalior. He's growing up in the village, falls in love with a local girl, Tani, who is also a very accomplished singer. In the meanwhile, Akbar feels this lack of a musician in his court. So he sends his scouts all over India to look for a very talented musician. They, of course, happen by this village. They see this young man and realize that he's amazing. So they take him back with them. He goes on to become one of the most lustrous of all the gems of Akbar's court. This, of course, causes a lot of jealousy with all the other people, and they're always plotting his downfall. In the meanwhile, the king's daughter falls very seriously ill, and all these jealous courtiers decide that the only way to cure her is for him to sing Rag Deepak. This is to cause heat in the body and so on. But apparently, in the story, so the story goes, that if you sing Rag Deepak, the singer himself can get very ill because his body starts to burn. And that there has to be someone who is an equally accomplished singer to be able to sing Rag Megh Malhar to cause rains to come down and to cool his body. Of course, the courtiers don't tell the king all of this. Tansen is forced by the king to sing for his daughter's health, and Tansen does so. It's a very beautiful song in the movie, by the way. And he falls very, very ill, and there's no way to help him recover. So he resigns himself to death, and he says, I want to go back to my village. So when he goes back to his village, Tani, who is still waiting for him, sings Rag Megh Malhar and restores him back to health. The music for the movie, heavily classical, was by Khemchand Prakash. The lyrics were all written by Pandit Indra. There is one song in the movie, Kahe Guman Kare Gori, which is based on Rag Gara. This is supposed to have been the inspiration for Naushad Saab for his uber famous Mohe Panghat Pe Nandlal Chhed Gayo Re from Mughal-e-Azam. The song I want to share with you today is a solo by Khurshid ji. So from Tansen, Baraso Re.
Baraso Re. Kale झुम 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 बादल आवो चमक चमक बिजली चमकावो झुम 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 बादल आवो चमक चमक बिजली चमकावो जो तुम्हारे घर पानी ना हो आंसू मेरे लेते जाओ रे आओ रे.
Parak. This came out in 1960, I think. Sadhana ji, Basant Chaudhary in the lead. But truly in the lead, I think, is Motilal. He is sort of the main character in the movie. It's a Bimal Da production. Brilliant movie. Really brilliant movie. If you haven't watched it, please watch it. There are so many aspects to it that are just outstanding. The story is that of a man in a village, the postmaster in this particular case. He is tasked with the burden of deciding who in the village is an honest and deserving person of this check that comes anonymously in the mail for 5 lakh rupees. I mean, it was a princely sum. Even now, I think it's a pretty darn good sum of money. Especially in those days, I mean, this was considered like, oh my God, made your life, right? The postmaster himself is actually in impoverished circumstances, and his wife is extremely sick, despite which he does not pick himself as the deserving person. All the rich people in the village, the hypocrites, put on this big show of generosity and helping the poor and so on. There are a number of absolutely fantastic philosophical songs in the movie, by the way. Amazing. Cynical, but very good. And you see all of man's hypocrisy and greed coming to the fore. The postmaster's daughter, played by Sadhana ji, is in love with the local school teacher. So this song is picturized on her. It's a Lataji solo. Salil Das music, he also wrote the story and screenplay. Shailendra ji's lyrics, he also wrote the dialogues for the movie. The song is absolutely divine. She is, standing sort of in the porch of her house, watching the rain and singing. So from Parak, O Sajna Barkha Bahar Aayi.
सजना बरखा बहार आई रस की फुहार लाई अखियों में प्यार लाई हो सजना बरखा बहार आई रस की फुहार लाई अखियों में प्यार लाई हो सजना
Barsat Ki Raat, one of my favorite movies. It is not an exceptional story by itself, nor is it particularly well made, but for some reason, it strikes a chord. I think mainly because the way the music plays out in the movie. Exceptional music, and the story is that of a poet who writes these amazing songs for his landlord, who is a kawal, and the landlord's daughters, played by Shyama ji and Ratna, a minor actor. And they are his daughters, and they also are kawals. So he writes poetry for them to sing. And Sahir Saab's lyrics with Roshan Saab's music composition. So It makes for an absolutely fabulous combination. Sahir Saab really outdid himself, especially with that amazing qawwali in the end. Ye Ishq Ishq Hai. I've talked about that in the qawwali episode, so those of you who haven't seen it, you should go back and check that out. This particular song, it is played during the title credits. It's not its own kind of song in the movie. The two sisters are singing it, and it's based on Rag Megh Malhar. It's a lovely, exquisite, it's actually a duet. The sisters, both of them are singing. So Suman Kalyanpur and Kamal Barot have sung for the sisters. It is really amazing. And Bharat Bhushan, by the way, co-wrote the screenplay for this movie. Madhubala and Bharat Bhushan in the lead. So from Barsat Ki Raat, Garjat Barasat Savan Ayo Re.
गरजत बरसत सावन आयो रे गरजत बरसत सावन आयो रे लायो न संग में हमरे बिछड़े बलमुआ सखी का करूँ हाय गरजत बरसत सावन आयो रे गरजत बरसत सावन आयो रे सावन आयो रे गरजत बरसत सावन रिम झिम में हाँ बरसे रिम झिम में हाँ बरसे बरसे हाँ रिम झिम में हाँ बरसे तर पे जियरवा मीन समान पर गई फीकी लाल चुनरिया पिया नहीं आए गरजत बरसत सावन आयो रे गरजत बरसत सावन पल पल छीन छीन पवन झकोरे पल पल छीन छीन पवन झकोरे पल पल छीन छीन पवन झकोरे लागे तन पर तीर समान सखी लागे तन पर तीर समान नैनन जल सो हीर सजरिया अगन लगाए गरजत बरसत सावन आयो रे लायो न रंग में हमरे बिछड़े बलमुआ सखी का करूँ हाय गरजत बरसत सावन आयो लायो ना संग में हमरे बिछड़े बलमुआ सखी का करूँ हाय रे हाय
Hello friends, I am very happy to tell you that Movies and Melodies will be celebrating its 5th anniversary this year in October. I would not have dreamed, even in my wildest dreams, that I'd be doing this 5 years down the road. So for this special episode, I would like to commemorate all of you, and I would like all of you to send in your song requests to me. Either comment on my YouTube channel or comment on my Facebook page, or you can email me at vandanathirumale@gmail.com. I would like you to send in your requests by September 1st of this year. I'm looking forward to hearing from all of you. Thank you. Jitendra Reena Roy starred in this movie called Jaise Ko Taisa. Came out in the early 70s, 73 I think. Jitendra plays a double role in the movie. It's a Ram or Shyam-esque movie. It's based actually on a Kannada movie called Bhale Jodi, starring Rajkumar and Bharati. That movie was a huge hit. This one was classified as a semi-hit, which means, the smaller towns are the ones that really took to it. Major metros, not as much. The story is that of, twins separated at birth, one living with an honest farm woman and is the bold, feisty twin, and the other one living in a wealthy urban setting, bullied by the uncle and cousin and stuff, is the more timid, cowed down twin. They exchange places and right all the wrongs, and you know it. So this song is a Rain song, and it is picturized on the lead pair of Reena Roy and Jitendra. It's a duet. Kishore Kumar, Lata ji. R.D. Burman's music with Anand Bakshi's lyrics. This is a beautiful, beautiful song. From Jaise Ko Taisa, Ab ke Sawan mein ji dare.
सावन में जी डरे, रिम झिम तन पे पानी गिरे, मन में लगे आग सी।
Sabak. This also came out in 73. Shatrughan Sinha, Poonam Chandi Ramani in the lead. Poonam Chandi Ramani went on to marry Shatrughan Sinha a few years after this, but that's a story for another day. The movie is a revenge story. Shatrughan Sinha plays an honest cop who is avenging his brother's murder. Amid all of this avenging, there has to be romance, and Poonamji plays his romantic interest, and romance means songs. So this is actually a solo sung by the hero, and it's, he's pleading with the rain, saying, "You rain so hard that my love cannot leave me and go, and has to be with me all the time." Usha Khanna's music and Hasrat Jaipuri and Sawan Kumar both wrote lyrics. Sawan Kumar wrote this particular song. The picturization, like I said, is on the main leads, but there is also sort of a side, I want to say, a side show going on. Jayashri T and this other young man who are also cavorting in the rain. I didn't quite figure out why, but it is what it is. It's a Hindi movie. So from Sabak, Barkha Rani Zara Jam Ke Barso.
Barkha Rani Zara Jam Ke Barso, मेरा दिल बर जाना पाए झूम कर बरसो। बरखा रानी जरा जम के बरसो, मेरा दिल बर जाना पाए झूम कर बरसो। बरखा रानी
Ajnabi, which is a Gulshan Nanda book that was converted to a movie with him writing the screenplay as well, came out in 1974, starred Rajesh Khanna, Zeenat Aman. Murder mystery with some romance thrown in. There's a brief cameo kind of by Yogita Bali. Well-made movie, very gripping. You really kind of, are on the edge of your seat and all of that. It's very entertaining, lovely movie. Music, fabulous. R.D. Burman, Anand Bakshi combination again. Beautiful, beautiful songs in this movie. I've shared several over the last several years in different episodes. This particular song is, of course, based, picturized on the lead pair. They're a young newlywed couple who are having a romantic moment on the terrace in the rain. It's a duet, of course. Kishore Kumar, Lata ji. So from Ajnabi, Bhigi Bhigi Raaton Mein.
भीगी भीगी रातों में मीठी मीठी बातों में ऐसी बरसातों में कैसा लगता है
ऐसा लगता है तुम बनते बादल मेरे बदन को भिगो के मुझे छेड़ रहे हो छेड़ रहे हो ऐसा लगता है तुम बनते बादल मेरे बदन को भिगो के मुझे छेड़ रहे हो छेड़ रहे हो
ऐसा लगता है तुम बनके घटा अपने सजन को भिगो के खेल रही हो ऐसा लगता है तुम बनके बादल मेरे बदन को भिगो के मुझे छेड़ रहे हो
Dil To Pagal Hai. This was a 1997 release. Shah Rukh Khan, Madhuri Dixit, Karishma Kapoor, all in the lead. Akshay Kumar also, I think, thrown in for fun. Typical Yash Raj rom-com. Great entertainer. I love Shah Rukh in these kind of light-hearted movies. Somehow, he never seems to make enough of them. Karishma Kapoor, for me, was a huge surprise in a sense, because she'd always been cast in kind of silly, fluffy roles. In this, she actually proves her worth as a very, very good actor. She's understated, very classy, and an amazing dancer too. Madhuri Dixit is Madhuri Dixit. She's so charming, so lovely, and what a dancer. And the dancers in the movie. Music was fantastic, of course. Uttam Singh, not given enough work, I think. Very talented music director. But Shyamak Davar, his choreography is outstanding for, I would say, every song in the movie. This particular one is very cute. Shah Rukh and Madhuri are, it's raining and they're running along in the street. And a whole bunch of little kids start singing this song. So it's sung by Udit Narayan, Lata ji, and this chorus of children from Dil To Pagal Hai, Chak Dum Dum.
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है
चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है बारिश होती है छनक छनक
रस्ते रुके रुके से हैं।
क्या तेरी मर्जी है मेघा, घर हमको जाने न देगा।
आगे है बरसात, पीछे है तूफान, मौसम बेईमान, कहाँ चले हम तुम।
Chak dum dum chak dum dum chak dum dum chak dum dum chak.
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम।
Ashirwad. This came out in 1968. Ashok Kumar, basically the movie is Ashok Kumar. Veena plays his wife, and they are like this bickering couple who are estranged. He ends up murdering someone while saving a girl from assault, and he is jailed for it. So he misses seeing his daughter grow up. Sumita Sanyal plays his grown-up daughter, and he's finally released from jail around the time that she is getting married. And she is paired opposite a very young and very, very charming Sanjeev Kumar. I love this movie. This movie is also very famous for what everyone likes to say is India's first rap song, Rail Gaadi, sung by Ashok Kumar. The music for the movie was by Vasant Desai. Very, very beautiful music by him, by the way. And this song is picturized on Sumita Sanyal. She sings the song, it's raining outside, she's waiting for her fiancé to come home. And Lataji has sung this so well from Ashirwad, Jhir Jhir Barse Savani Akhiyan.
झिर झिर बरसे सावनी अखियाँ, सावरिया घर आ, सावरिया घर आ। तेरे संग सब रंग बसंती, कुछ बिन सब सावरिया घर आ। रेशमी बुंदिया तन पे मारे, रेशमी बुंदिया तन पे मारे। छेड़ करे भीगी बौछारे, छेड़ करे भीगी बौछारे। मानत ना जियरा, सावरिया घर आ, सावरिया घर आ।
Hello, friends. I am very happy to tell you that Movies and Melodies will be celebrating its 5th anniversary this year in October. I would not have dreamed, even in my wildest dreams, that I'd be doing this 5 years down the road. So for this special episode, I would like to commemorate all of you, and I would like all of you to send in your song requests to me. Either comment on my YouTube channel or comment on my Facebook page, or you can email me at vandanathirumale@gmail.com. I would like you to send in your requests by September 1st of this year. I'm looking forward to hearing from all of you. Thank you. That's it for today, folks. I hope I've, motivated you to go out and look for some more Rain songs. I have to come back with more because the more modern movies in the new millennium also have some lovely Rain songs. So maybe I'll do a whole modern Rain song episode. To all of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And for those who haven't, please go to YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.